So in order to create multiple calendar, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end. This procedure won't be available if you're using an application. You have to log in from a web browser. So open up a browser on the web address bar, type in calendar.google.com, and it is going to take you to the official page. So while you're on this page, you can see this is how it's going to look like. And here you can go ahead and tap the gear icon from the top right, and as you click on it, you'll be able to see the drop down menu. Go ahead and select settings. As soon as you click the settings button, it's going to take you to this page. Now go ahead and tap the arrow icon that's located next to general. When you do that, you can go ahead and select add calendar. After that, you can go ahead and select the kind of calendar that you wish to create, or just go ahead and select create new calendar. When you do that, now enter in or give it a name and add a description as well. After that, click on create new calendar. Once you've done that, you've successfully created a new calendar within the Google Calendar. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.